Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the fan, loosen the 9 captive screws on the base cover. Pry the cover off the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Find the wireless module and remove the screw securing it. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to lift the module out of the system. Identify the fan and disconnect the cable. Remove the first piece of tape and disconnect the second cable. Remove the second piece of tape and disconnect the third cable. Remove the 2 screws and lift the fan out of the system. To reinstall the fan, place it back in the system and install the 2 screws. Reconnect the cable and reattach the piece of tape. Plug in the second cable and reattach the other piece of tape. Reconnect the last cable. Place the wireless module back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch and tighten the screw to secure the module. Plug in the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 9 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.